everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be on celebrity inspired makeup look. So today I'm gonna create the makeup look of Janhvi Kapoor in her red sari look. The photo will be pinned up on the screen, and yeah, without wasting time, let us just move to the video. I'm gonna start by cleaning my face with a cleanser, and here I'm using Himalayas cleansing milk. And then I will apply Plum's mattifying moisturizer to make my makeup long lasting and non-cakey. For foundation, I'm using Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. So if you are using this foundation, you can skip a primer. This shade is a little lighter for me. It's W120 Warm Cream. It should have been a shade darker. First, I'm gonna see how it blends with a beauty blender. Now let us try it out with a blending brush. Now I'm gonna apply my NY Bay concealer. As a bronzer, I'm using this shade. I'm being very careful with it as it is highly pigmented. Now I'm using Blue Heaven's translucent powder in the shade Natural. I'm not going to use the puff, I will apply it with the help of a beauty blender. I will let it set for a while, and now I'm gonna start with my eye makeup. I'm gonna go with this pinkish nude shade and apply it very carefully. I'm gonna blend it really well because we want a natural pinkish tint. So we are done with the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go for my brows. I'm using Music Flowers brown eyeliner gel. For my lashes, I'm using Maybelline's Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. It adds a really good volume to your lashes. I will dust off the excess powder and spread it evenly throughout my face. It sounds crazy, but I'm much more comfortable with the lipstick for my blush. For my lips, I'm using this Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Icon. For highlighter, I'm using this dupe of Huda Beauty highlighting palette. I bought it from Amazon and I'm in love with this highlighter. It is so pretty, and it is highly pigmented, so I'm being very careful with it. And here we are done. I have completed this look with the red blouse and red net sador. It looks like a sari, but it is actually a sador. I have curled my hairs using Nova's curler. So yeah guys, this was all. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I post a new video. So I will be up with the next video. Till then, bye bye.